You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is the name of a flower found in Tahiti, or Tahiti as it's said in French, or Tahiti, that produces monoi with coconut oil. Tiaré is the French pronunciation in Tahiti. They say it as tiaré, tiaré, but French pronunciation tiaré. So in English, tiaré flower. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.